Meet Swift Cloud ERP, the ultimate solution for transportation businesses to streamline their fleet management. With Swift Cloud ERP, you can easily create and manage your customers, vehicles, and assets. Whether you run buses, taxis, or trucks, everything is handled in one place. Keep detailed records of your vehicles, automatically calculate depreciation, and monitor scheduled and active maintenance for each one. Create routes and effortlessly book passengers into their vehicles. With just a few clicks, Swift Cloud ERP generates passenger manifests so you're always prepared. Track your vehicles in real time as they move from one location to another, ensuring your operations run smoothly. And for your customers, Swift Cloud ERP offers a self-service portal where they can make reservations, check their booking status, and make secure payments, all with your company's branding. But that's not all. With Swift Cloud ERP's HR management system, you can keep complete records of your staff and process salaries effortlessly using the integrated payroll system. Automate your payroll and ensure your staff are paid on time, every time. Swift Cloud ERP's fleet and HR management modules are here to make your transportation business more efficient, secure, and customer-friendly. Ready to take control of your business? Try Swift Cloud ERP today.